Hi, aunties. Just thought I'd pop on real quick and show Willow she's in imperial pajamas. Y'all may have seen them before, but well, um, it's rainy and cool here, so I decided today would be a perfect day to be a Johnny day. Um, and so, uh, we'll see. It's, you know, cold and yucky. So she's just lounging around. Um, I did order a kit and some eyes to have a baby. Um, um, that may be a surprise. I won't tell what kit or anything yet, or even who's doing it yet. But hopefully, before too long, there will be another baby on this channel. We hope you have a good Sunday, and we'll see you soon. Love and hugs. Bye.